So we're going to do thoracic extension or thoracic mobility using a foam roller. So all you need is a foam roller. It could be a half roller for this, a little small. Usually the bigger roller is better, a longer one. And you're going to sit in front of it. You're going to line the roller up with your lower rib cage. Here, you never want to roll your low back. It's too aggressive and it's a little too much pressure down there. So you're going to have right on your lower rib cage, you're going to have your butt on the ground, you're going to have feet on the ground, your hands behind your head. And all you're going to do is lean backwards. You're going to go as far as you can, and then you're going to come forward. You're going to do that 2 or 3 times in each position. And then at that point, you're going to take your feet and you're just going to drag your butt down an inch or 2 and do it again. So again, 2 or 3 in each position, and you're slowly working up your spine. This lower area can be pretty uncomfortable for some people, so don't power through pain. Just take it to the range you feel comfortable. So 2 or 3, good. Drag your butt down an inch or 2 and keep working. Good. When you do this, try not to let your ribs flare up really big. Try to keep them down. They'll come up a little bit, but you're really trying to work on the mobility in this upper back. So you're going to do 2 or 3 in each spot until you get to the top of your shoulder blades. And you can target it there. So again, we're working up to the top of the blades. And then if you want, when you're done, just lift up and just kind of roll between your shoulder blades, that area you just did. So again, never the low back, never the neck. So between your shoulder blades and your lower rib cage, 2 to 3 each position. If you feel pops and cracks, that's fine. It shouldn't hurt. Don't power through pain. This is a good one to do every day. End of the day after work, sitting, really good one to do. So work on that thoracic mobility.